This is you guys' website. Looking at it, the layout looks nice. You don't have too much content. You got 319 words of content on there. Google loves content. The more content you have, the better. It gives Google an opportunity to find more keywords on your website, as well as it helps you boost your ranking with them. The next thing would be these images. You want to make sure they're saved right. So I don't think that's right. Unless you want to rank for that keyword, you'd want to rank. You'd want to have these saved as keywords. So like roof repair, Loveland, or siding, siding installation, Fort Collins, or exterior interior painting, Fort Collins, or whatever keywords you want to rank for. You'd want to have all your images saved with those. Putting roof repair Fort Collins in. First, there's going to be ads up here. These ones you have to be verified by Google. They're supposed to be a little less spammy. Then you got the original ads here, and then you got the GMB, and then you got organic ranking. This is a directory, and this guy grabbing that guy. That's what his website looks like. He doesn't have too much content either. He only has 816 words. So you could have 1,500, but you don't have to stop there. You can get more content as well. The more content you have, the better. You can never have too much. I doubt this guy saved his. Yeah, he doesn't do it either. Majority of people don't. It's a missed opportunity if you don't do it. Google, it can't see what the photo is, but it sees what it's saved as, and then it gives you a keyword based off of that. Putting in Ahrefs, cool tool I like to use. You guys have a UR of 18, a DR of 0.2. So UR is not too bad, but your DR score is not definitely could improve. You got backlinks of 225, 19 referring domains, and 12 keywords. Here's where your keywords look like. I don't really see any buyer intent keyword, or I don't really see, it just got your name, basically. So yeah, that's what your keywords are right now. Put in this guy into Ahrefs. You'll see he doesn't have that good of a UR, or his DR. I mean, his UR is okay. His DR is not all that good either. He's got 53 backlinks, 17 referring domains, 71 organic keywords. Let's see what. I forgot what numbers backlinks you have. So you have more backlinks and referring domains. So let's come in here and see why your scores are so low. I'm guessing you have a bunch of spammy ones. Spammy backlinks are like low DR, low UR scores. They don't help you at all. They actually hurt you. Google, it's smart. It knows what looks spammy, and if you get linked up to a spammy website, it assumes you're spammy as well. So when you're going for backlinks, you want to get high DR and high UR scores, as well as you want to get them relevant to your industry. The more relevant they are, the better strength they give you. But yeah, so those are directories. So those aren't too bad, but let's go over to page 5 and see. So you got these two right here. These ones aren't, I don't like single digits. I was expecting there to be more, but it does go off of referring domains more than than backlinks. See, like that one's not a good one. And then all these ones are no follows as well, so that that doesn't really give you any strength either. But yeah, I can come in here and try to figure out why your scores are so low. But like your UR score is not too bad, but your DR score could be improved. And I could just go after other backlinks as well. Check a competition, grab the ones that he has that are that you like, and go check out other competitors as well. I don't really like any of those. Obviously there's yellow pages and directories, but yeah, I'm not too fond of his backlinks, so he shouldn't be too hard to beat as it is. Which I'm guessing the keywords are not going to be too. The KD is not going to be too high. So Fort Collins Roofing Companies, 150 volume, 6 KD. So the lower the KD, the easier it is to rank for. So 6 KD is pretty easy to rank for. And it's got a fair amount of traffic. So, I would add that one to your website. Here's another roofing, Fort Collins, Colorado, 80 and 13. Fort Collins roofers, 40 and 13. Roofing, Fort Collins, Colorado, 20 and 6. Roofer, Windsor, 40 and 3. Also, if you're doing Google Ads, this one no one's doing ads for. So you would, you could bid as cheap as you wanted, and you'd be the top one with the ads there. Versus this one, people are spending $110 on average a click for that keyword. There's also less volume that goes there, and there's a lot more for this keyword. And as well, they're pretty easy to rank for too. Refer is Greenlee right there. Fort Collins Roof Repair. Yeah, there's a lot out here. Eden, I'm not sure where that is, if that's something you service or not, but that's 150 and 0, so that's a really good keyword if it is around you. Loveland's 90 and 8. Let's see. Wellington 30 and 0. Windsor's 50 and 0. So there's a lot out here. Obviously, this one, it just doesn't have a location specific, so you want to go after ones that are location specific as well. But then we can go check out other competition as well and find other keywords. We can go check out, like we can go look for painting ones. We can look for windows and gutters and siding and any other services that you guys do. The next thing is the GMB. Go in here, grab this guy. He has had more reviews. It looked like he was in. It looked like he might. I don't know. I guess this is 5 years. This is 7 years. But I grabbed this guy. Check him out. If you don't have a GMB, you want to get one. You want to fill it out 100%. You don't want to skip steps. Then you want to add as many photos as you can. Photos are the content of the GMB. So the more photos you have, the better. It'll help improve your ranking. And then you want citations. Citations or directories. You want to make sure that your name for your GMB as well as the directory are the same. You want to make sure your phone number and then your location is the same as well. Putting this guy in. It hasn't finished loading and finding them all, but it should be pretty close. He has 35 citations so far. When it finishes, we can see what they are. But Yelp, Yellow Pages. You can also get social profile citation or social profile profiles, which would be like Facebook, Pinterest, and stuff like that. It's time consuming, but it's pretty easy to do. You can Google for more. You can go grab the ones that other people have. Hopefully that helps. If you want, we can talk more. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear your feedback. Have a good rest of your night.